trends in industrial manufacturing, I would say two things. One is resilience and the other is sustainability. And that resilience of supply is actually causing a knock-on effect in lots of other areas. So as we look at the resilience of supply, there's an opportunity to now look at energy efficiency. How are we manufacturing? And there's a whole digital transformation happening within the factory. That's leading to other benefits, hyper-agile manufacturing, localization, and personalization. So moving down to units of one. And units of one has such a knock-on benefit for a lot of end markets like pharma, like healthcare, even automotive manufacturing. So I would say sustainability then, looking at the energy efficiency in a factory. Motors are a huge consumer of electricity, and figuring out how we can reduce the consumption of electricity in the factory will have a big benefit for sustainability and ultimately for the climate targets that we all have to meet. Analog devices is enabling the transformation. We have a long history of working with our customers on developing solutions for their toughest challenges. We continue to do that while expanding to include an ecosystem of partners to address some of those toughest challenges. We really look at manufacturing in three ways: connectivity, control, and intelligent edge. And the intelligent edge, if you look at motor control, robotics, we have a large play in robotics and motor control. As I said earlier, motors being the largest consumer of electricity, we have technology that can reduce that consumption by 75%. Robotics, we have everything from machine vision right through to a magnetic sensor for more precise control of a robotic arm. So lots of technology at the edge. Also, as more data in the factory is needed and will be captured from the intelligent edge, we need to improve the connectivity, so wider bandwidth, less latency. We have a range of technologies for advanced physical layer digital connectivity. And then control. Control is our traditional business. We have a lot of high performance measurement, and measurement is really what analog is known for. So that high performance measurement helps for more precise control of everything in the enterprise. For our customers, that ability to have very flexible, agile manufacturing does mean now that the dimension of performance is not about economies of scale, but it's about having the output where the consumption happens. So that's a huge benefit in terms of sustainability, but also in terms of competing now on smaller factories and having more of them. So units of one, the ability to take, to personalize it, and personalization is another big trend and a benefit what's happening. But ultimately, the benefit is really in the energy efficiency. Improving the energy efficiency while maintaining productivity will have a big benefit for not only for our customers and the environment, but also for future generations in having a much more sustainable manufacturing sector.